Creative, I try to give you really practical advice regularly, but sometimes I just got to get back to the basics. I want to remind you, you can do this, that your creative dream is not beyond you, that you can make the thing that you want to make. That story, that song, that pattern, it is there, it is in your grasp, it is not impossible. Your challenge, creative, is going to be in not giving up, in continuing to learn and accepting that sometimes you're going to make a mistake and that's okay, that sometimes projects won't work and your attempt is going to go nowhere. But every time you try, even when you fail, you are improving, you're getting stronger, you're getting better at what you do, you're learning. That's why it's important to take in art from other people, to take in music from other people, to listen and read and enjoy, because as you do, you start to see why what they did worked. As you learn, your own skill grows. You can do this, creative. You can do this, creative. Don't give up. You are worth it. Now sit down with me wherever you are, and let's make something new.